Specific time frames for creatine-induced muscle gains. Initial phase, days 1 to 7. During the first week, known as the loading phase, users may experience an increase in muscle size due to water retention within the muscle cells. Actual muscle protein synthesis may not significantly increase during this period. Short-term phase, weeks 2-4. As creatine stores build up, users often report an increase in strength and endurance. This can lead to more intense workouts and potentially quicker muscle gains. Research suggests a noticeable increase in muscle mass can occur as early as 2 weeks with proper training and nutrition. Long-term phase, month 2 and beyond, true muscle hypertrophy beyond water retention is more likely to be observed from the second month onwards. Consistent supplementation coupled with resistance training typically results in more pronounced muscle growth within 6 to 8 weeks. The science of creatine and muscle hypertrophy. Creatine supplementation contributes to muscle hypertrophy by enhancing the body's ability to perform high-intensity training, increasing water content in muscle cells, which may signal key pathways for muscle growth, and reducing protein breakdown and increasing protein synthesis post-exercise. Maximizing muscle gains with creatine. To optimize muscle growth with creatine, continue the maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily after the initial loading phase, and combine creatine with a protein-rich diet and adequate carbohydrate intake.